Let's get to that final trade of the day with Mike Patton, the head trader at Funder Trading. He's on deck for us now. Mike, what is your trade?
All right, today it is Biomarin. The symbol is BMRN. This is a company probably a lot of people are familiar with. They're a pharmaceutical company based out of San Rafael, California. And right now, this is a stock that looks like it's at a pretty good value, currently trading around $70 to $71 a share. Currently looks like it's in a very solid valuation range. I like to keep track of where the buyers usually come in. I see institutional activity is picking up. Looks like there are 43 more institutional buyers for the stock. There are 14 more sellers too, but the buyers are obviously outweighing the sellers. So looking at this right now, the upside potential looks pretty strong. We're looking at somewhere around $103 a share. So that's easily over $30 above where we are now if things work out according to plan. However, in the event that this doesn't, I would say risk should be limited to where we get out of the stock if it goes down about $7 a share to about $63. Now, Biomarin does have earnings coming out in 4 days. So if we decide to get into this, if you decide to do that, you have to take the risk that when earnings come out, maybe they're not going to come out as good as we expect. We'll see. But also, if you're an options person, you could possibly do like a vertical spread where you could limit your downside risk. And if everything works out, obviously, if it goes up, then you'll make some money. So I would keep that in mind. But it looks like the reward to risk is great. So definitely looks like a good opportunity.
That stock is down more than 27% for the year.
A lot of times when we look at stocks, we have to think about where people want to buy and what are the projections into the future. So as an example, Meta was down over 70%, if I remember correctly, in 2022. But we look at where it's at now, it's well above the highs that it reached in 2021. The point being, the fact that a stock is down in and of itself doesn't say much. It just comes down to what's happening now. So there's always a reason why something came down before. All we have to look at is whether those reasons are still in play now or have things changed. I could give a lot of examples like General Electric that was going down for years, and now we can see where it's at. So it all comes down to whether or not there's value there. So it looks like right now this is at a strong value proposition. And Warren Buffett famously said that you want to be greedy when everyone else is fearful.
Good for you, finding a beautiful beaten down stock. We love a discount on our show. Thanks, Mike.
No problem. Thanks, guys.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.